STEM, it can like help you like see what different jobs there are. Since some people have difficulty like see what careers they want, being specific. But with STEM, there's the fun part where you can like test your stuff out. You can like see what you want, and you can find a career with this program exactly.
STEM Camp, well, it stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Math. What we try to do is every day try to teach students about maybe something about science and STEM programs or technology or engineering or mathematics. We're talking about making their own product, solving a problem in this world. So some are doing like how to get rid of waste. What's a good way? And he made a trash can that once you put it in there, it just gets rid of it. So that's an example.
STEM is a really fun program to try out.